Welcome. If you want to allow another admin to manage live streams in your Telegram group using Telegram Web on your PC, you're in the right place. With Telegram's latest updates, managing live events in your community has never been easier. Let's walk through the steps to grant this permission so your group can go live and engage with your audience in real time. First, open Telegram Web on your PC and sign into your account. Once you're in, look through your chat list and click on the group where you're an admin. Only group admins can adjust these permissions, so make sure you have the right role before proceeding. Now, at the top of the group chat, click on the group's name. This will take you to the group's profile page, where you can see all the details and settings for your group. Next, look for the edit icon. It usually appears as a pencil or gear symbol. Click on it to access the group's management settings. In the menu that appears, find and select the Administrators option. Here, you'll see a list of all the current admins in your group. Click on the name of the admin you want to allow to manage live streams. This will open up a list of permissions that you can enable or disable for that specific admin. Scroll through the permissions until you find Manage Live Streams. This is the crucial setting that gives the admin the ability to start, schedule, and control live broadcasts within the group. Click to enable this option. Once you've checked Manage Live Streams, don't forget to click Save at the bottom of the window. This will apply the new permission, and your chosen admin will now be able to manage live streams in your group. That's it. With just a few clicks, you've empowered another admin to help host and moderate live events, making your Telegram group even more interactive and dynamic. If you're planning a live session, remember to coordinate with your team and make the most of Telegram's powerful live streaming features to connect with your community.